You're taking a deep breath?
Count for 1, 2, 3. And you are in the waterfall, then the water Texas.
Mm-hmm.
The bottom spot. Be and bye.
The end.
Happy ever after.
The end. Bye.
End.
Happily ever after.
Bye.
Who are you talking to?
Grandpa Terry.
Oh, Grandpa Terry. Did you have a good conversation?
Yes.
What did you tell him?
Did I love you?
Oh, that you love him.
I love you.
See you soon.
See you soon.
Good luck.
I'm gonna say hi to. I'm gonna say hi to Grayson.
Grayson, okay.
Yes. Hi.
Are you dialing his number?
Hi, Grayson. How are you doing? Good.
Mm-hmm.
I'm so much good, and the water more than good.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely good.
You're definitely good?
Yes, and definitely good. And definitely.
Mm-hmm. What did you do yesterday?
I did yesterday when I went to the post office, the poke,
And where else?
to the museum,
Mm-hmm. What'd you do there?
paid pictures for them.
Mm-hmm.
What did I do? Huh? Grayson, what did you say?
What did he say?
I love you.
Oh, that's so nice.
Take a deep breath. And count it for 1, 2, 3. Then the one more than the what. Okay, bye. And what have we ever after? Bye. Bien.
Bye. Love you.